In grams in Python, 4, 5, 6 grams? I'm looking for a way to split a text into ngrams. Normally I would do something like I am aware that nltk only offers bigrams and trigrams, but is there a way to split my text in 4 grams, 5 grams or even 100 grams? Thanks.
Great native Python-based answers given by other users. But here's the nltk approach, just in case, the app gets penalized for reinventing what's already existing in the nltk library. There is an ngram module that people seldom use in nltk. It's not because it's hard to read ngrams, but training a model based on ngrams where n is greater than 3 will result in much data sparsity.
I'm surprised that this hasn't shown up yet.
People have already answered pretty nicely for the scenario where you need bigrams or trigrams, but if you need every gram for the sentence, in that case you can use nltk.util.everygrams. In case you have a limit, like in case of trigrams where the max length should be 3, then you can use max_len param to specify it. You can just modify the max_len param to achieve whatever gram, i.e. 4 gram, 5 gram, 6 or even 100 gram. The previous mentioned solutions can be modified to implement the above mentioned solution, but this solution is much straightforward than that. For further reading, click here. And when you just need a specific gram like bigram or trigram, etc., you can use the nltk.util.ngrams as mentioned in m.a. Hassan's answer.
Using only nltk tools. Example output. In order to keep the ngrams in array format, just remove .join.